with you. You're so cute. I don't want to eat you up because it's not cute. You're trying slime ball for God's sake. No. You're so cute. Wee. Wee. Oh yeah, I didn't do that show. Hello everybody, my name is Jake. Welcome to slime ball. Whatever the heck. I don't know, but it's awesome. What I don't know what it's called actually. Look back at it. Holy crap! It's supposed to be an impossible game because it has 108 levels, and it's really hard. And I'm doing a hard mode, which this is going really slow right now, as you can see. I just gotta take my anger out on something, but not this time, boy. You feel. Woo! Yes, I beat the level. Oh, no. Hopefully you guys can hear that. The music is freaking awesome. Whoop! Oh, now you get fast, buddy. You gotta go save the princess. Not princesses, Robbie. How about the chickens? Oh, the chickens. Save the chickens. Come on. You want me to save the chickens? I'm helping you. You just died. Never mind. Okay, maybe I shouldn't help you. Wait, why is it still going slow? Why are you going so slow? Oh, I gotta change the freaking thing. I should have some jazzy music in here. This is already jazzy enough. My stylist friend just on the ground. Yeah. That's how we do it. We eat your face and chew it. Oh, I still got it. I want to get the level video. Maybe orange. Oh, that's what it is. Okay. So let's just start normal. Let's just beat normal mode first. Hey, he doesn't go fast to save his life. Oh, it's actually pretty odd out. Woo! This is a fun game! Even though it looks really pixely, but if you think about it, it's actually... Why did I jump? Okay, I'm not gonna keep my anger on this guy. He's cute. But if I keep dying constantly, then I probably should take my anger on him. Please. Please. I better stop... Prepare stuff, girl, but I don't know. I've been going to school for a few days, so I've just been sitting here just getting in front of a camera. Come on! Dang it! Why did I? Oh, I hate you so much. Okay. I'm not gonna stop. I will. That would be a bad idea. As soon as I saw that would suck. This is about the whole game, pretty much. It's really fun to play. Like, you wouldn't believe it. Whoop! Hit a jump to the victory, little slimy. Little slime ball. I'm probably gonna like a 20-part series of this crap. Season 1, Season 2 of the Slimy Ball. Freaking put you like an ender pearl. Yeah. Let me discuss these two. I'm pretty toxic. Toxic slime balls. That doesn't sound right, but I am beating these levels like my Mexican wife. I was probably really racist there, but still, I mean, fun and jokes. This is supposed to. Why? I jinxed myself. I was gonna say that. How is this an impossible game? And I just saw how it was supposed to be possible. Going shut at the exact right time. What is wrong with you? You mean to me, buddy. So suck it. Okay, well, you should download this game. It's cute. It is cute. It is cute. I just want to do like a 5 hour. Look at this game. Woo! finally I start going fast. And it slows down just because I lost what? Why are you so slow, man? Do you fast? Oh, slimy chest. Oh, wait, no. Slimy chest, slime ball. I'll just call you slimy. Slime ball. Slime ball? Is that good? You got no. Alright. Slow ball poker. Let's get Slimy there. Yeah. Smiley the slime ball. Smiley the slime ball. That's a good name. Hey, Smiley the slime ball. Smiley the slime ball. He does have a smile on his face. Don't get me wrong here. But what if you don't have a smile on your face? Smiley the slime ball. Smiley the slime ball. Oh my god. Aw, only one more level left until I have to stop. Oh, says I have to stop at 15 minutes, even though I verified my account already. Oh, I'm cheating. I verified this account a bunch of times, and it still doesn't work for me, so I'm gonna do like an hour special sometime. Maybe a live stream on Twitch. I'll probably use Twitch, I don't know. Maybe I'll use Twitch. Twitch isn't very good to me. It's just trying to kill me. Stab me in the back, all you want. Twitch, I'm twitching right now. What's up? Twitch dead, like, I don't know. Okay, well, that's more stuff, but okay. Woo! Okay, so. Oh, and hello. Oh, space. The dungeon! Okay, yeah, a lot of levels. Oh. Well, obviously, I will do more of the series, and see you in the next video. Bye, guys! Peace out.